My first time of baking and frosting. There. First, I'm gonna make it prettier. I changed my mind. I don't want to make a heart.
What about the side of the cake?
Where?
The side.
Where? Here?
On the side.
Wait, here? Here?
This is the side. Right here.
Here? Oh, dang. Oh, dang it, it's not perfect. Making delicious Delicioso pumpkin cake. I'm making Delicioso pumpkin cake. There. Oh, this is so cute, isn't it? Oh, this is the cover for the pencil. Cover. Whoa. Oopsies. Now I can use this as a cover. As a cover. As a cover. I'm using it as a cover. I'm using it as a cover. I actually am. Look. I'm using it as a cover. Look. So it doesn't drip. Oh shoot. I better keep it in there. So perfect. Oh my god. Oh. So, hey guys, we're going to make Pasapina frosting cake. It's supposed to look like this, but it's not actually good. It's my first time of frosting. Whoa. Dude! Hey. Whoa! Oh my god. It's supposed to be up here. Not down there. There. I'm not good at frosting. I am actually not good at frosting. I'm not good, really not good at frosting. I am I'm just gonna fill in the top and then do decorations on the sides of the cake. I need to spread this out a little bit. So it's just round up. Remove bacon time. Bacon time. Oh, dang. Mother. I need to spread this. I need the spatula. I need to spread it. you. Spreading time. First, I'm going to do that. And then cover it with this. This to the side and then start to spread. Do 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 do. Hi Kia. Bonjour. I'm spreading it to the top of the thing. I'm almost done.
That's gonna be too sweet. Do the side too, Yaya.
I know, I'm gonna decorate it right now. Yeah.
See, there's none, see?
Yeah. Let's do the side right now.
You can spread it with the spatula.
I don't know how to do the side.
Just press it. Keep going, and then just get the spatula and spread it. Good job. Okay.
Oops. Oh,